I'm not the only one who has a basket of shame. Things that come into your space and you don't have the energy to put them away. Well, I actually have two, but the reason I have two is because I went through the one and separated it. So, hello, my name is Nikki and I'm with Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. We're going to go through my basket of shame, or shames. So, just so you can see kind of what I bring into my room, what I don't know what to do with. I have no idea how to do with this. I love this, though. I don't want to get rid of it, but no idea what to do with it. For my son, stamps that I need to organize, dies I need to organize. Oh, look at that. Whatever. I could have just used that. It's fine. You know, just things that will take extra steps to complete that I honestly don't have my brain power turned on to do right now. Like, I have no idea what all that says, and I don't really care. So just things in here that don't really, or they have a home, or I'm too lazy to put them in the home. All those kinds of things. This actually needs to go somewhere else. So, in my space I've got a couple of baskets, right? This is for the big stuff, like the stamps and dies. When I'm ready to organize that kind of material, I will just put it away somewhere. But honestly, most of the stuff, minus the stamps and dies, doesn't have a home. And this is its home. And I'm okay with that, right? So, in your craft room, you have to give yourself grace because there's a limited space. When you have everything done up and pretty, that limited space becomes limited very quickly. So let's talk about this other pile. So this other pile, which I'm about to add to, is embellishments. So the way that I store my embellishments are in here, or in the collection they're supposed to go with. And some of these things, I just don't know what collection they go to. Some of them I do know. So I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to take the time to sort them into the embellishment, into the collection that they belong to, and actually get it done. Okay? So, for example, let's just start pulling stuff out, right? So you can kind of see what I bring into my space. That goes to a collection. This one actually, I don't know what to do with. This is one of those, it's the Simple Stories Essentials 2x8 transfer sheets. And I thought this would be great faux mixed media. I mean, $7 for 2 sheets of this, though, is really pricey. Really pricey. And I do have stamps that will do similar things. However, I don't have numbers like they have here. That's really what I got it for. Yes, I have all of those kinds of letters, and I can definitely do that, but the numbers is where I was thinking. So this one is probably going to stay within my box. This one's going to stay within my box because this is a basic. I can pull from this anytime, and these are really pretty. I think that's going to stay in my box. Have you seen these? These are cool. Okay, I have to open these for you because these are really neat. I'm not going to open everything, you can see by the packaging, but these, you have to get the full effect on this. This is really cool. And I'll link these down below for you because I don't think, I mean, there's nothing like this on the market. Look at those jars. I don't even care about the other stuff. The other stuff is gorgeous, but the jars look like glass. I mean, just incredible. Incredible. So, that's gonna go with the nature collection, but I would probably put this, I guess, so I've got a Bug Explorer collection going right now. It is not this style, but these bugs would really add to it. I think it'd be fun. But that is going with my nature collection from 49 Market. We just did a video on that a while ago. I'll link that in the upper right hand corner. Then I've got this. This is the only stuff that I have. I got this in Happy Mail for this collection. And we just went to like a little zoo. So I thought this would be cute to use, but I don't have 12 by 12 papers with this. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think I might just stick a 12 by 12 regular color, regular white, and then add Into the Wild on the top of it, because I don't know that I'm going to get the 12 by 12 in this collection, but that's a separate collection. Then this is a separate collection. I've got something that's kind of like that, and that's Doctor and Happy New Year and Little Boy. So I've got my piles starting, and I was thinking these could go with one of the Bo Bunny. Like this is Bo Bunny, hardcore Bo Bunny. This is even Bo Bunny, right? I think all of those kind of go together. This one might go with Paige Evans' line because it's bright, happy colors, right? These are kind of the moodier, dark colors that will go with this. I'm gonna put this in New Year. Okay, again, dull colors. Okay, so then I've got the Heidi Swap. I have that collection, so I'm gonna add it to there. And then I've got pieces there. Now this is what I've been doing with my 49 and Market stuff. So I took the 6x8 and I made it into a mini album book kind of thing. And I was planning on using these together. So I might put this back where it's supposed to go, even though I really want to use these. So that's going to go where it's supposed to go. Okay, so Fireman, 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 Outdoors. Kind of running out of space here. That's okay. Okay, this is Little Boy. So that can go with Little Boy. This is going to go into a sports collection. Now this was handmade off of Ginger's Corner. So if you haven't checked out her Facebook group, definitely go do that because they have a lot of swaps all of the time. So all of those were, okay, this is Christmas. Okay, that's Sweet Shop and COVID. So I guess these things that are not going back, these are going back. So I guess they can just go back, right? Okay. That's sports. Sports. Have to deal with this later. Okay, let's see. Oh, that is space. So that's separate. And Doctor. Scrapbooking. See, it's like these things are just all over the place. That's Summer. Cooking. Cooking. And this is how you end up with things from all over the place. This is pretty cool. This might go in my random embellishments. Okay, that is Lucky Charms. And that can go there, and this goes with the collection. This is the, okay, and this is my nature. I knew I had this, and I was looking for it when we did that layout with the naturalist and or nature study, and I couldn't find it, so they got left out. That's school. It's for sure school. I can't make that up. Okay, that's Christmas. Zoo. Maybe I just put those in with a zoo. Oh my gosh. Is this a sticker? It's says paper craft, so it must be a sticker. That is hilarious. That might... I don't know. That one might stay out here. If I don't know, I don't worry about it right now, right? Like, we come back to it later. Okay, little boy. Definitely little boy. That's summer. I have this collection, so that's going to go with the collection. Zoo. New Year's. To deal with later. Yeah. So is this what you guys do? You just kind of carve out some time? Or do you have a box of shame of things that you haven't put away yet that need to get put away? How do you organize your embellishments? Like I said, I keep mine with my collections. So I can pull all of these out when I need them. And yeah, it kind of keeps them corralled, like items with like items. That's one big thing when it comes to my organizing. Like items with like items, especially with embellishments. Now, I do have separate places for my wood veneer, chipboard, flowers, buttons, acrylic, enamel dots, ribbon. Like, those things don't stay in the collection because they're too broad. They're like these things where I could use them on any layout. So I don't want to make them stay in that layout. I want to be able to use them wherever I want. So at a different time we'll go through that, because my buttons, brads, enamel dots are just in a drawer. And so I really have to root. And I don't mind rooting. Honestly, it's not that big of a deal. And sometimes my brain capacity is better with rooting than it is trying to find a spot for everything. So, because the big bin is the spot for everything, right? So, I'm going to clear my desk because I like a clear desk when I leave the rest of the day. Let me know how you organize in the comments below. Let's start that conversation. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.